Yes, good morning children. Chapter 9, Ledger. See here, we have seen the accounting process. What is accounting process? The process in which number of steps involved. What are those steps? First of all, identifying the transactions that we have seen and measuring the transactions in terms of money. That is, financial transactions only are taken into account, and after that, recording of those transactions. Recording means writing of those transactions in a book which is known as journal. That is journalizing, that we have already seen in the previous chapter. And then the next step is posting them, means classifying them. See, in journal and cash book we write the transactions in a chronological order, mixing all the transactions. Here, so those are, by that we cannot come to conclusions. How much wages totally are paid, how much of salaries are paid, that we cannot sort out from the journal. So the next step is classifying the transactions. From that book of journal and cash book, the transactions are brought to another book which is known as ledger. What is ledger? Ledger is a book in which various accounts are opened and transactions relating to that accounts are transferred from journal. See, from journal, a particular account is opened in the ledger, and relating to that account, all the transactions from the journal or cash book are brought at one place. That is account. Account we have already seen. Account is the summary of transactions relating to a particular head of account. See here, ledger is a book in which various accounts are opened. Not a single account is opened. In each and every page, one account is opened, and another page, another account is opened, and another page, another account is opened, and so on. The various accounts are opened, and so after opening these accounts, the transactions relating to that account are transferred from journal. This transfer of the journals, the transactions from journal to ledger is known as posting. See, ledger is also called book of final entry. See, the journal is called book of original entry or prime entry, in which the transactions are recorded for the first time. That's why. Here, transactions are recorded on the final, means last time, that is final entry. Ledger is also called book of final entry. Ledger is also called principal book of account. And next, features. See, transfer of journal entries from ledger to journal to ledger is known as posting. And what are the features of ledger? Ledger is a master record of all the accounts of the business. See, as many accounts are there, those accounts are opened in the various pages of the ledger. Means all the accounts are found out in different pages of ledger. It is the record, master record of all the accounts. And it is prepared from journal. From where it is prepared? It is prepared from journal or cash book, etc. And ledger accounts show current balances of all the accounts. As and when we want to have the balance of any account, we can find out the balance going through that account, difference of the debits and credits, taking out the difference of credits and debits. They may have the debit balance or credit balance, as the case may be. But we can have a glance of all the transactions of a particular account on a page, and we can find out the balance as and when we require. Next, trial balance and final accounts are prepared from the ledger accounts. Okay, after transferring the transactions from journal to ledger, and those accounts different pages in different accounts in different pages, and those accounts are balanced, and those balances are a list of those balances are prepared, which is known as trial balance. In all, trial balance is prepared from the ledger accounts balances, and with the help of trial balance and some additional information, we do prepare the financial statements, that also known as final accounts. Means in all, ledger is the basis for preparation of the trial balance and the final accounts or financial statements. Now let us see the pro forma of ledger account. We have already seen the T-shaped account in the third chapter. See, pro forma of ledger. In each and every page, the ledger accounts are opened, different. Of course, if the number of transactions seem more, then one or two or more pages are allotted for that account. Now first, say for example machinery account. The page is divided into two parts. Left hand is the debit side and right hand side is credit side. The left hand side again is divided into 4 columns. 4 columns. First column is meant for date and second column is meant for particulars, date of the transaction, particulars of the transaction. Journal folio means the page number of the journal from where we have brought this transaction here. That page number is known as journal folio. And again, the right hand side, that is credit side, is divided into 4 columns. First column is the date of the transaction. Second, particulars, by which account this particular account is being credited. And again, journal folio from the page number of the journal from where it is being brought and amount of the transaction. Okay, after all the transactions are brought here relating to this account, the account is the balance. Credits total minus debits total, balance carried out. If credit total is greater than the debit total, suppose here some amounts are there, then it is known as the credit balance. And if the debit side totals are greater than the credit side total, and the balance we arrive here, and that balance is known as the debit balance. And today's closing balance is tomorrow's opening balance. Say here, the date is written next date and by balance brought down. If it is the debit balance, then here by balance carried down, C/D, and that is being brought to this side to balance brought down. This is about the pro forma of ledger. Now let us see once again, what is ledger? Ledger is a book in which various accounts are opened and transactions relating to that account are transferred from journal. And ledger is also called book of final entry, and it is also called book of principal book of account. And what are the features of the ledger? Before that, the transfer of these transactions from journal to ledger is known as posting. Okay. Ledger is the master record of all the accounts of the business, main record of all the business transactions. It is prepared from journal. Ledger accounts show current balances of all the accounts, and trial balance with the help of the ledger balances. The trial balance is prepared and financial statements are also prepared. Now let us see the pro forma of this account. So each page is divided into 2 parts, debit side and credit side. Again, each side is divided into 4 columns, date column, particulars column, journal folio column and amount column. And again, right side, that is credit side, date, particulars, journal folio and amount column. After after transferring all the transactions relating to that particular account from journal and cash book, here the account is balanced. Now let us see how to balance the transaction account. The total of both sides is taken, and it is highest total is written here on the total column, and the amount of balance is written on that side where the total is lesser. Suppose credit total is greater than the debit total, to balance carried down with the difference amount. And today's closing is tomorrow's opening balance. And if the debit side total is greater than the credit side total, then whatever the difference is by balance carried down. That is the debit balance. Debit side total total the greater means debit side debit balance. And if credit side total is greater than the debit side totals, we get the credit balance. And the same is brought forwarded to the next date. This is about the introduction of the ledger. Now tomorrow in the next class we will see how to post the journal transactions from journal to ledger.